Well, believe it or not, Pedata RV Center just took in a brand new line of travel trailers. They are 2025 Forest River EVOs, and the one we're going to look at today is right here behind me. It's obviously a 2025 278SS FS to be exact. 31-foot single slide travel trailer, double axle. Let's go give it a tour. Well, hello and welcome back to another RV walkthrough. My name's Taylor Quayle. We're here at Pedata RV Center in Tucson, Arizona with our new line of trailers, the Forest River EVO. So we're going to give the first one on this channel a good interior and exterior look. So let's start outside up front. Obviously, we got an electric tongue jack. You can turn off and on, up and down. The 278 comes standard with two 20-pound bottles, so there's two bottles under there. 7-pin connector. One other thing I want to point out, we do have solar on the side, so you can hook up a solar panel on top of the solar panel that's already mounted on the roof, which I'll try to make it so you guys can see, but it's right there. 190-watt single panel, does have a controller inside. You can see obviously metal-sided. Got a full pass-through storage right here. If I remember correctly, 7710 on the gross vehicle weight rating. Good size awning, electric with an LED strip with adjustable pitch on the arms. Outdoor speakers, back of the furnace, winterization, fresh water connection, coax, power, more speakers. Got some nice fancy shiny looking tires. Let's see what date they put on brand new tires if we could find a date code. But to answer your other question of what the size is, what do we got? We got 205 75 R15s. I don't see a date code right there, so let's. Oh, here we are, 4823. Finally. So, not even your old tires. They always put, last year tires on brand new coaches. But you do also have solid steps which come standard. They do have to fold inside the door, once you're traveling. But when you put them out, they're very, very solid and safe and a lot better than the floating steps you usually get. Spray port. Camper for dog people. Shaded pet tether. Very neat. I don't know how shaded it is, but it is back there about a foot. Outdoor kitchen. Not with the black stone, but we do have a gray stone griddle that will push into place. There is a propane connection right there. And a little baby fridge in here too. That's pretty cool. You got stabilizing jacks down below. You got 4 of those stabilizers. That top area is actually for the bunk area to put a backup camera. Not one on here now, but what is on here is a tankless water heater. I think the brochure, or at least the info list I saw, said 60,000 BTU. That's ridiculous. Spare tire. Nice to see that. And it's going to be at least doable right now because it's a 2023. Water connections, flush connections. You got your whole dump station right here. DSS. 30 amp power service on the cord. Schwintek slide for that. I said it was 3 foot deep. That is totally 24 inches deep. And what is that, about 10 foot? Maybe a little bit more. We do also have, let's look, should be an enclosed underbelly. And then you got another pole right there. So you got bathroom in the back and kitchen's more mid, so that's probably great for the kitchen. And then here's the other side of that pass-through storage with your, jacks. 7710. Surprisingly enough, I was correct. Now, cargo carrying capacity should not exceed 1698. So dry, about 6,000 pounds. Not too bad. So that is the exterior. Let's jump inside and see what that looks like. All right. So 2 steps going in. Got a screen door. Oh, screen door sticky. Screen door that does have a cover too. Right when you walk in, you're greeted with the slide out. Shut that. So you got the slide right here all the way down to right there for the dinette and the couch. On the opposite side, we have the full kitchen. In the back, the bunks and bathroom. And lastly, up front, of course, is the bedroom, which we will get to eventually. Let's actually do this a little bit different. Let's start in the bathroom, which is a little weird. You have a toilet with so much space in front of it. No matter what, even if you got one coming out that's going to hell, you got something to hold on to. You got something for your legs to swing around. I mean, you'll be good. Let me tell you. Now this is a medicine cabinet, obviously, but they give you this little little guy right here to help keep it in place when you're traveling. You just undo that, bam, you got a medicine cabinet. Pretty small baby sink in here, plastic, magnetic held. You got a little bit of storage down there. That is, besides the medicine cabinet, the only storage in this bathroom. 3 walls, fiberglass, separate pan. I stepped in it earlier. Does have a skylight, pretty basic shower head, but decent amount of room. This is kind of cool, camp standard. Towels, and a little fan in here. That's pretty much it for the bathroom. Let's turn out and look at these 2 double wide bunks. So 300-pound capacity up top, and at least that down below with the ladder. So, you know, you can fit 400 or 600 pounds of people up there. Thermostat, I like the new thermostats from Coleman. This thing's sweet. It's got a little dial that you can use to adjust your temp. I don't think it'll ever get down to 33, but hey, we'll keep it set at that. Now, one other thing I thought was cool, up top for the bunk person, they have a USB and a USB-C. Oh, USB and USB-C right here with the duct. But let me tell you, if you're the younger sibling, you have a light and that's it. No power, no AC vent. So definitely be sure to get the top. Now they call this a pantry. I guess you could almost double it as a wardrobe if you wanted a wardrobe for the bunk people, but on the brochure they call it a pantry. See a 30 amp power cord down there. Oh, you son of a gun. Breaker box with fuses. And we'll go through the kitchen. Kitchen's got a pretty good amount of counter space, especially when you have the sink covers still in there. This faucet does move around all crazy like. Farmhouse style sink with some overhead compartments. Look at all these connected. All connected to each other. And the ones down here are massive. Could maybe do little custom pullouts if you want. Give you some even more storage. And then you only got 3 more drawers. 1, 2, and then you got 3, which also acts like a silverware drawer. Now, kind of cool. 3 burner stovetop, still gas, so they're not completely getting rid of propane. Thank God, you got to have some in some of these trailers. High point microwave, Furion. Now, this is not a propane fridge. Now, I also find this funny. When they ship these to you, this is how they send some of the extra accessories. So, toilet paper holder, probably a towel bar, outdoor spray hose, spray nozzle, legs for the stabilizers, and all your basic paperwork is in the fridge, nice and chilly. Kind of interesting. I may make a video on what you find in a brand new fridge in 2025 RVs. Now we went through the kitchen. Up right across from us from the kitchen is going to be that slide out, which houses both the dinette and the jackknife sofa, which they say 2 and 2 can sleep on. You know, maybe if you're comfortable. Drop table down, remove the legs, use the cushions as a sleeping area. Jackknife, they have these little roll pillows that are Velcroed, heavily Velcroed to the side. You do have to remove those to use the jackknife sofa, and that is on either side, but it's a nice little extra touch. Kind of like the blinds in here. Only one style. Up and down. It's a little tight right here when you're pulling it with the dinette cushion, as I just noticed, so it's something to keep in mind. Now let's look at the printouts really quick. Brand new, selling for $35,995. 33 feet 1 inch, 7710 weight. Obviously 1 slide. Suggested retail on this son of a gun is $40 grand, $842 from Forest River. So yeah, we got a pretty good deal on it, I think. Here's the exact floor plan. These don't look like a normal brochure because they're not really out yet. From what I noticed, I pulled this directly from Forest River's website, and these are the select features and options. But realistically, this thing has most of the items here. I don't know which ones specifically were options, so we'll just keep it at that. You got another power hookup right there. TV, probably fit at least a 32, maybe upwards to a 40. Nice little power hole. Cords right here. Little baby radio. But then right past this door, we do have the bedroom. Open that, you see some storage right in front of us. This is a king bed. And you got storage up above. One thing that kind of bugs me, the storage doors do not stay up. They just drop. So kind of sucks, but you know, small complaint. Over there, you got another USB, another USB-C, 2 regular power outlets. But I really think besides the power, you get no USBs on the passenger side. And There is some outdoor storage, which does connect, as you can see, down to the outdoor storage. But they give you this little like shoe rack, which is kind of cute. Most people won't even know it's there until they lift the couch up, or couch the bed. And finally, last but not least, you got your solar controller, TV backing area, one duct in here for the AC, because the AC is fully ducted. A corner closet. So you actually do have some closet space. I know you were wondering. And then a little bit of storage right here. I mean, this is nothing crazy. There's two of these. I don't think. Yeah, you got one little skinny wardrobe and then one that's not a wardrobe, just a regular drawer. All right. That's pretty much the walkthrough, guys. I know it's quick, easy, painless. Now, of course, we got to show you what this thing looks like with the slide in. So if you want to stay with me, you can, because I'm going to do this live. Or you can fast forward roughly 10 to 15 seconds. Or play some Jeopardy music in your head for the time being. Now, what's unfortunate when the slides in is you do lose access to the bedroom, and this is not a floor plan that gives you another entry door into the bedroom. So while you're traveling, you'll never be able to get in that bedroom unless you're like pencil skinny, and I don't think anybody really can. But fridge, entertainment, couches, all the bed areas here, and the dinette and the bunks, all accessible. Nothing changes except the walking width with the kitchen and the bathroom and pantry when you need a snack is fully accessible with a zero change. So there you go. Let me go jump outside, show you guys what that looks like from the outside. We'll let you guys go. Now, if you have any questions on this trailer or any of the other brand new 2025 Forest River EVOs that we have, we got a bunch of small ones, we got some medium ones. This 278 is the biggest one we currently have. I will put all my contact info on the screen so you can reach out. Minus the power cord and that door fully shut, there is that slide in. So I really appreciate you guys viewing. Hopefully you enjoyed. Let me know what I could do to make these videos better. And I hope everybody has a great day.